Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by another YouTuber whose name is Allegra Shaw. Her Instagram is just at Allegra Shaw. I'll have it right over here. And she does these videos pretty regularly on YouTube as well. And I wanted to give it a try because I always think those videos are super interesting just to see what people buy throughout the month. So in the beginning of August, I made sure to track everything I spent and I just have it in a list on my phone. I'm gonna leave one of Allegra's videos down below of her what I bought in a month. I don't believe she did one for August, but I know that she's done a ton, so I'm gonna leave one of them in the link in the description box down below. Also, any product that I mention, I will try my best to link it in the description box down below. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It's just at Kiana Gabrielle _ and let's get started with this video. So because I have everything that I bought in this video chronologically planned out, I'm going to just say them chronologically, and they're also divided by each store. So the first couple things that I bought last month is from the jewelry company Evry Jewels, which is a local Canadian jewelry company. They're actually based in Montreal, Canada. I actually found them on TikTok because the owner, Britt, if you follow Evry Jewels on TikTok, then you would see you can get your orders packed on camera, and she has like so many videos of her packing different people's orders. So she's actually a 4th generation jeweler. According to their Instagram, it is anti-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and nickel free. They pride themselves on their jewelry pieces and everything that they sell being for everyday, hence the name Evry Jewels. Everything is great quality, I will have to say. It is also completely affordable, so I'm gonna leave a link to their website down below. Also, I will leave a link to any of the specific pieces that I bought down below, but they have jewelry, everything from rings, necklaces, anklets, earrings, to phone cases, purses, and sunglasses. So first and foremost, all of your jewelry and everything comes in this cute holographic pouch, and it also has this little hole that you could attach your keys and keep your cards and like change and stuff. So I'm gonna do close-ups of everything that I got because they are so dainty and small, just so you guys can get a better picture of what they look like. So the first thing I got was the F ring, which looks like this. So it's just one of those gold rings that have a flat top, and on it says a very bad word if you are young, but I love it. It's super dainty and you can wear it literally every day, which makes it super perfect. The next thing I got was the baby angel necklace, which is one of those just like small chain necklace. These things can be super expensive. It's super dainty, but it's a great piece for layering, and I'm so excited that I could get one that was actually affordable. The next thing I got is very similar to the necklace, but it is the angel anklet, and I kid you not, anklets are back in style. So early 90s, but they are back in style, so I wanted to get one that I could wear with literally anything, and it is just this gold anklet that is super dainty. It is very similar to the necklace, but this is the angel anklet, which I literally wear every day and you can't go wrong with it. The last necklace that I got from Evry Jewels is probably my favorite. This is the golden year necklace in the year 2000, and if you guys didn't know, I am born in the year 2000, which makes me really freaking old now that I've just said that, but I love it because it's this old English font, which these necklaces are perfect for layering, and I love it because it's so dainty, but it is definitely a statement necklace as well. I know that these are always like sold out or on pre-order. If you were on the lookout for a year necklace, highly recommend Evry Jewels. So the next two things are from Shoppers Drug Mart, and if you know me, you know that I typically get lash extensions, and I typically go to Lash Therapeutics, which is in downtown Toronto on John and Adelaide, but because of the whole coronavirus thing, I just can't go downtown to get my eyelashes done regularly anymore. And also, I don't know how I feel about them being so close to my eyes, so I wanted to try out some new mascaras, and the ones that I got are actually the exact same thing, but they are the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. I got the original and then also the waterproof because I wanted to try both. I will have to say I do prefer the waterproof over the original. I know that a lot of people love the original. This mascara used to be super popular back in like 2017, but I wanted to try them out, and I like waterproof mascara more because my eyelashes are so straight and they just like lay straight. They like have a hard time curling. If the mascara isn't waterproof, it just falls. This mascara is specifically for lengthening, which I really need because my eyelashes are so short and stubby. So I love the waterproof version, but I also bought the regular L'Oreal telescopic just to try it. But I do have to say the waterproof version for me personally is just 100 times better. So the next thing I bought is from Mejuri, and I'm actually wearing it right now. So it looks like this. This is the layered spheres necklace from Mejuri. It's a perfect everyday necklace. So it's basically a choker, but then the layer with the spheres on it kind of dangles, so it looks like a layered necklace. I'm gonna do a close-up of me actually wearing all the necklaces together. Also, I want to film an everyday jewelry collection because I feel like that would be very beneficial. I love wearing jewelry. It's something that has become honestly like a personality trait lately, but I wanted to share my personal everyday favorites. So if you want to see that video, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below. But I love this necklace because it pairs so perfectly with other necklaces. Also, I've been wearing this necklace literally non-stop. I like sleep with it, I work out with it, I just wear it out and about. The only thing I don't do is I don't shower with it, but I wanted to start investing in everyday pieces that are better quality. And if you don't know what Mejuri is, they're basically a more affordable jewelry, and this is gold vermeil, I believe. Vermeil, I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description down below. And if you're gonna get anything from this video, I highly recommend that it is this necklace. The next thing I got is from Nike, and they are these training shoes. I'm gonna leave the exact name and the exact shoe down in the description box down below because I don't exactly remember what this specific shoe is called. But I haven't gotten new training shoes or running shoes or just workout shoes in general since I was in the 9th grade. And I haven't been in the 9th grade for a very long time, like 7 years. I'm going into my 3rd year of university, and I think it was about time that I got new running shoes because grade 9 is a freaking long time. Also, I have been working out and training more than usual this summer and during this whole quarantine time because it's been really keeping me sane. So I wanted to invest in some new shoes, and these shoes are super comfy. I don't know if it's because they're new and they haven't been like worn down or anything. I'm so happy that I got these because they were definitely a bigger purchase, but definitely a much needed purchase. The next two things are from the dollar store, and the first one are just some basic black hair ties. This is not that fun, but I just thought I should mention it because I always lose these, and now I have 40 more. The next thing I got from the dollar store are these clocklets. I'm actually wearing the black one right now, but this one is just a tortoise print, so I just wanted to get a couple of these because this like a do hairstyle thing has been my jam, especially because I don't want to wash my hair as often in quarantine. The next two things are from Walmart, and they're pretty, I guess, random, but they are two like sweatpants. These are from the boys, like the kids section, the boys section, and these were $8 each. Super cheap, but they are just basic sweatpants. On me anyways, they are more fitted. This is an extra large. I got an extra large, and they are more fitted. School, for me at least, is online, and I want to be the most comfortable. So these are great because they're actually lined with that super soft fleece material as well, and they're only $8 and you can't really go wrong. And the last two things that I bought in August are from Sephora, and the first thing is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I literally love this stuff. I'm trying to use less makeup wipes because they are super harsh on your skin, so I bought another one of these, which is a cleansing balm. It removes your makeup, but you can also use it as an actual cleanser. But I highly recommend this product. It's super gentle, it's fragrance free, it never irritated my skin. It's all around a good product, and I highly recommend it. The last thing I bought in August is this shampoo. This is the Together Beauty Love Lather Moisture Shampoo. I really needed a new shampoo, and this one is free of so many things. It's supercharged naturals, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's color free, it has has a long list of things that it doesn't have. It is super clean, but I also needed a shampoo that would revive my dry scalp, especially now that winter is coming. I wanted a shampoo that would be good for a drier scalp, and so far I've been using it and it's been working well for me. So that is everything that I bought in the month of August. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and follow me on Instagram. It's at Kiana Gabrielle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!